You look at things like person-to-person payment. You see the next generation that's coming up, the millennials. They split checks. They use Venmo. They pay each other in very different ways than we do. And as a result, all of these small little fintech companies that are taking little pieces of our business, and each one of these little guys are trying to unbundle a service and make it much more frictionless and digital than what they have today. And so as a result, the kids are finding these because in their world, you are a small square on a device. And by the way, don't get hung up on that mobile device. In the future, it could be their Xbox, it could be their Echo, it's any piece of glass, it could be their car. The Internet of Things is coming. So your relationship with that person is changing in the sense that they've all found ways to hook into your world, via ACH or other means. And as a result, they're still using you for their bank account, but they're not necessarily using you for the utility of it. And if we're not careful, we'll lose those relationships. We'll be no different than the indirect car loan where you purchased a car and the only thing you have at this particular bank is that car loan because it was a good rate through the dealership. We can't lose that. We have to win the hearts and minds of the next generation of credit union members. And that's going to be done digitally as well as in person. And I think combining those two things together. But things like Venmo, PayPal, they definitely are changing how we interact with our next generation of membership.